Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to auto-crop carousels for scroll stopping swipes. Let's get started. First, start by designing a horizontal layout in apps like in Canva or Photopeia. Then, export it as one long image. Next, use a free tools like Pine Tools or Image Splitter online. You can upload your long image and split it into equal squares, no manual cropping needed. Then download the slices in order. Now post them as a carousel on Instagram. The image will swipe seamlessly, keeping viewers engaged from start to finish, and this is perfect for storytelling, tips, or product showcases. And that's it. You've just made your carousel scroll stopping and professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.